As we move further into autumn, the property market continues to shift, with the latest auction results showing steady activity right across Australia's capital cities. And joining us this afternoon is Emily Rayner, National Property Editor at view.com.au. Emily, good afternoon. Let's start with this week's auction results. How did the market perform overall?
The latest figures show the national preliminary clearance rate at 68.7%, which is slightly down from last week. We could also see there was a small dip from 2,435 auctions held across the combined capital cities, and Melbourne remained the busiest market with 1,249 auctions, while Sydney recorded a smaller amount of auctions, and the other capitals you can see there remained pretty steady.
So in regards to property prices, are they still increasing? Because we did see some activity when we saw that official cash rate drop with the Reserve Bank.
That's right. We can see that there has been increases across the board in most capital cities. With the interest rate cuts that the Reserve Bank cut in February for the first time since the COVID peaks, major banks have passed that on, which means that buyers have got a lot more confidence when they're going out to market, and they're ready to put their hand up and bid at auction.
Now, Emily, now we've seen some actual homes selling well above reserve, especially over the weekend. Can you tell us about any standout results?
Yeah, sure. There was this fantastic property that we saw in South Melbourne. It was originally priced between 3.3 million and 3.45 million, and it sold for 4.1 million, which was 560,000 above its reserve price. Abercrombie's were the selling agents, and they can see that's really a positive start to the autumn selling season in Melbourne, where it has been a bit of a tale of two price points. At the lower end of the market, we're seeing that really push up as people are really desperate to get out of renting and try to get into the market. So we're seeing those prices come up. And at the luxury end of the market as well, we're really seeing some big bids happening there across the board.
So, Emily, if people are wanting to sell, especially this autumn, what are some of the key tips you need to adhere to for a successful price?
Sure. One of the big ones is really kind of looking at what's happening within the market and looking at price points and what houses similar to yours are selling for around your neighbourhood. Also understanding that with lower interest rates, buyers are coming out to market more, so you may get a higher price point for your house. And of course, presentation is absolutely key. So, do all those little jobs that you've been holding off for a while if you are thinking about putting your house on the market. Presentation is everything, and making that your house someone else's dream is really going to sell it at market.
Yes, some great advice. Emily, thanks so much for joining us this afternoon. Much appreciated.
Thanks, Tash.